Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you all are doing great. And today in this video, we are going to talk about the process to follow if your TCS asset got damaged. Before moving into the video, if you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I upload a new video. So coming back to our video, recently one of my friend's laptop screen got damaged as it is accidentally fell down from the table. The screen got a scratch and half of the display got blurred. So she was worried a lot as she don't know what to do and what is the process to get it replaced. After so many connects with the IS team and she got to know the exact process. So I thought of sharing this process with you all. If any one of you or your friends get this issue, then it will be useful for you also. So without any delay, let's see the process. If the TCS asset got damaged, either internally or any external damage, we need to follow a particular process. First, we need to inform our project manager, and then we have to raise the ticket in Ultimatics Global Help Desk for asset damage. Then that ticket will be routed to our asset location IS team. They will contact you and give you the laptop vendor number. Like if your laptop is Dell, then they will give Dell vendor number, or they will only call the vendor on behalf of you and tell the issue or the damage. Then the vendor will arrange a video call session to check the damage. Once the video session is done, the vendor will tell if the damage will comes under the warranty claim or not. Mostly physical damages will not come under the warranty, so he will take mostly 2 to 3 days to send a quotation for the replacement. And the quotation will contain the prices of the product and the service charges, including GST for the replacement. Once we get the quotation, we have to raise a procurement request for that replacement from Ultimatics Ariba portal. To know the process to raise that Ariba request, we can get the guidance from IS team, or they will share a PDF guide. We can follow the simple steps which are mentioned in that PDF. And once the Ariba request is placed, they will process the order and call you once the replacement is scheduled for you. You will also get the mails regarding that order tracking. So once you get the call to for the replacement, you have to go to your asset location and make that replacement. And this all process will take minimum 10 to 15 days, sometimes more than that also. And coming to the replacement charges, if your project have funds, then they allow you to pay the charges. Then no money will be deducted from your salary. If the project won't allow you to payment to be made from the project funds, then it will be deducted from your salary. For screen replacement, they will charge minimum 18 to 20,000 rupees, which is a huge amount. But we should not replace it outside without informing our company, as there will be some barcode mentioned on every part of the laptop. So during this process, the barcode will be removed if you replace it outside. So it will be problematic for you while you are returning your laptop once you resign the company. Now the question is, how should I work during this process? This is the main question if the laptop got damaged. So in this case, they won't give you other laptop, but they will allocate you a temporary desktop until the issue is resolved for your laptop. And for that also we need to raise a ticket in Ultimatics. So you will be allotted with the temporary desktop. So this is all I wanted to share with you all. If you feel this video is useful for you, then please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more information. If you still have any doubts in this process, then you can comment below. I'll try to answer your questions.